Cambly learners! I'm Amanda, and in today's lesson, we are going to explore some words and phrases to help describe our negative emotions. Although negative emotions are not very fun to feel, they're actually very important. They help us stay safe, become better at problem solving, and connect with other people. Are you ready? We're going to get started by listing off some negative emotions. So feel free to repeat after me. Sad, angry, stressed, bored, worried, jealous, disgust. Can you think of any other negative emotions? Okay, great job. Now we're going to learn a little bit more about each emotion. Sad. We feel sad when we're feeling unhappy or down. It's like having a heavy feeling in your chest. You might have tears in your eyes and want to cry. When my friend moved away, I felt really sad. I felt so sad when I couldn't find my favorite toy. Can you think of something that's made you feel sad? Angry. We feel angry when something makes us feel mad or upset. It's like having a fire burning in your chest. You may clench your fists or stomp your feet. I felt so angry when she was being mean to my friend. When someone takes my toy without asking, I feel so angry. Anger is a totally normal and healthy feeling, but it is important that we let it out in healthy ways, like talking to a trusted friend or writing in a journal. Everyone has their own ways of handling their anger. For me, I like to go for a walk or watch my favorite TV show. Scared. We feel scared when something makes us feel afraid or frightened. You might feel your heart beating fast and want to hide. However, feeling scared helps us be aware of dangerous things and actually helps us stay safe. I felt so scared when I heard the thunderstorm coming. After watching this scary movie with my brother, I felt so scared. Stressed. We feel stressed when we have too many things to do or we're really worried about something. It's like having a heavy weight on your shoulders. Your body might feel tense and you can have trouble sleeping. It's important to take breaks and relax when we're feeling too stressed. I had so much homework last week, I felt so stressed. I was so stressed last night, I could hardly sleep. What do you do when you feel stressed? Is there something that makes you feel stressed? Bored. We feel bored when we can't think of anything fun to do. This can happen in the classroom during a subject that you don't like, or when you just can't think of anything to do. I feel bored when it's raining outside and I can't play soccer. I was so bored waiting at the doctor's office. Now, with all of these emotions in mind, I'm going to tell you some situations and you'll tell me how they make you feel. I'm also going to share my answer, but it might be a bit different from yours. That is totally fine. We all react to things differently. You lost your favorite toy and you can't find it anywhere. How do you feel? I feel sad. Okay, next one. It's summer break, but you have nothing to do and all your friends are away. How do you feel? I feel bored. Someone takes something that belongs to you without asking. How do you feel? I feel angry. There's a big thunderstorm at night and all the power goes out. How do you feel? I feel scared. You have a big math test tomorrow, a piano recital to practice for, and your teacher just gave you 5 pages of science homework due tomorrow. How do you feel? I feel stressed. Great job, guys! Thanks for joining me today. Remember, it's important to talk about our negative emotions too. Practice using your new words and vocabulary to express your negative emotions with family and friends. If you had fun today and want to practice learning English with friendly tutors like me, you should try Cambly Kids today. See you next time!